Most carnivorous plants need to rest during winter to be able to grow from spring to fall. But does Nepenthes need it? Long story short, no. But if you want to know more and why, let's dive in. Hi, my name is Remy, and on this channel I explain you everything I know about how to grow Nepenthes, this tropical carnivorous plant, on a windowsill. Okay, first let's stop calling a Nepenthes a pitcher plant, because that's too broad. You have the Sarracenia that are also called the same way, pitcher plants, and they grow totally the different way, different species, different places, so do not call them pitcher plants. There is typically two kinds of carnivorous plants. There is the temperate species, where the Sarracenia come from, and the tropical species, where the Nepenthes come from. Okay, so for Sarracenia, they come from North America, and Nepenthes come from the tropics, from China to Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, etc. Just for the sake of doing it clearly, I will pick the Philippines temperature. So from Google, the average temperature during summer is plus 32 degrees Celsius. And for the Philippines, the average is just the same during summer. Now let's talk about the winter. The winter in North America is 0 degrees Celsius, the freezing point. But for the Philippines, it's plus 25 degrees Celsius, so it's still very hot during winter. This is why Nepenthes do not need a dormancy. They don't know what is winter. Here is two videos that could help you to grow your plants. So until next time, happy growing!